flower friends. Thanks for tuning in to New Mexico Flower Company. I have a really fun unboxing video for you today from Meraki Floral Tools. I entered their very first ever floral design competition and won first prize. So thank you so much for this incredible opportunity. And I wanted to share the goodies that came with the winnings. So there's a beautiful handwritten note from Jenny of Meraki Floral Tools, and I was fortunate enough to get a full set of 6 of their incredible flower shears. So let's open them up and take a look. So there you have it, Meraki Floral Tools. Check them out online, find them on your favorite social media platform, and maybe you can find your favorite new pair of floral shears, because I sure do love these. Ooh, look at that beautiful orange. Way to get it going. A little fiery pop there. They all come with some different style cutters and noses, I guess is what you'd call it. So lots of fun goodies. Ooh, I love the teal. Can't wait to try these out. These ones are nice and long. They fit in your hand just beautifully. So really can't wait to start using them on the design bench. 6.7 inch viburnum. Ooh, gosh, love a lime green moment. This is actually one of my absolute favorite styles of floral shear for designing. It's incredibly versatile and always find myself gravitating to it on the design bench. 6.7. Ooh, amaryllis. Love the red. They each come with their own little protective sheath too, to keep them nice and sharp and keep them from getting scuffed. Oh, gotta love a magenta moment. So great. I am just thrilled. Oh, and a blue. I'm so excited. They're all different colors. These are just really, really beautiful tools. You can tell they're incredibly well made. Lots of fantastic colors to choose from for your favorites. I absolutely love the assortment of colors. I can't wait to dive in. So thank you so much, Meraki Floral Tools, for this wonderful opportunity and this incredible prize, and just can't wait to start snipping some stems. So thanks for tuning in. Again, be sure to check out Meraki Flower Tools online, and give this post a like, comment, share, and stay tuned to check out what New Mexico Flower Company makes with all of these incredible tools.